Hello, class. A lion has its son children who were playing for 3 yards foul of goal and without knowing the value of their contest, they tweet them into the sea, giving rise to one of the most beautiful islands of the San Bernardo archipelago known as Mucura Island. Mucura Island is located in the Gulf of Mosquito, um, is ubicated in Caribbean Sea, belongs to Colombia. It is a part of the district of Cartagena. Mucura Island is an oasis surrounded by the sea in which calm combines with the landscape to provide a total rest and also has some of the best beaches in this country. To get to Mukura Island, you have two options. First, you can take a flight from the main capitals of the country to the regional airport of Toulouse. Then, when you arrive, you have to take a motorcycle that cost is $1 to the dock and there board the boat that leads to Mukura that has an approximate value on $11. Your night from here takes about 1 hour. You can also get to the Rafael Núñez International Airport in the city of Cartagena, then take a boat that leads from La Bodeguita Pier, food a value of $25. The trip lasts approximately 2.5 hours. On Mukura Island, there are many accommodation options. There are options waiting for sleeping in a hammock to luxury rooms. You can find price from 70,000 Colombian pesos, $20. Some of the hotels that you can review are Hotel Isla Mucura, Danlandia, Mucura Club, Punta Faro, Agua Luna, among others. Likewise, you will also find restaurants at a good price with a wide variety of dishes and totally delicious, with price ranging from $5. Um, on Mukura Island, there are several activities to do. If you are a person who likes adventure, you can snorkel or kayak. The kayaks for two are the ideal way to tour the island and enjoy the incredible endless view that the Caribbean Sea offers. You can also do paddleboard. Uh, Another fabulous plan is the plankton. This is a plan for the nice that is avoid swimming and admitting thinning algae, kale, plankton that glued in the dark with the movement of the sea. Or you can divide. In this, you can observe 5 other species of sea turtles present in Colombia and counters different fish. However, if you are a calmer person, you can take the tour of the islands now and visit all the wonders that the other 9 islands of the San Bernardo archipelago had to offer. You can visit the Grand House in the water. The island also offers the Star Bar Tour, massage, and therapies that will relax you. But and enough, the best plan you can do on Mukura Island is to spend a day at the beach in enchanting and crystal clear waters while forgetting every time. Finally, some things and recommendations for you. The first, the pace to Mukura Island include a stop at the Santa Cruz Island, where you can visit the aquarium and swim with sharks, among other things. Second, you must bear in mind that the boas to Mukura Island leave between 8 and 9 o'clock in the morning. I recommend that you carry only the necessary luggage. You must bear in mind that the boat had a maximum weight allowed that you shouldn't exceed. It's important to consider that paradise and technology don't go hand in hand. A paradisiacal destination like Mukura Island can only maintain its beautiful and is as much of relaxation and tranquility thanks to the disconnection with the modern world. So you shouldn't be surprised if you arrive at Mukura Island and you don't have a phone or Wi-Fi signal. Um, it is also important that if you carry out any activity or sport, you must do in the company of professionals and qualified persons, demanding that the minimum safety standards, such as the use of life jackets and the first kit. No more. Remember, Mukura is the best beautiful beach in this country. Welcome to Mukura. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.